Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Disenyo Local. So today we are going to introduce to you the chamfer edge command. Now, as you can see, we have already here an object being chamfered. Now, the edge of this object is chamfered already, as you can see here, this one. Okay, so let us begin by uh, uh, using the edit and then choose the chamfer edge, as you can see from the screenshot. Okay, so once you have selected the chamfer edge, you have there the select an edge or loop or distance. So I'll just type L for the loop. Okay, select edge of loop. So I'll just select this edge and then enter. So I'll just type the distance d space and then I'll just type 40 mm and then specify distance to again 40 mm space. So there you go, chamfer edge with 40 mm distance. Okay, so let us repeat again the chamfer edge. Then let us type D for the distance. Specify distance. I'll type 50 for now. And then specify distance to again 50 mm space. Select the edge. So I'm going to select this edge. Okay. This one. How about let's see this one. This one. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial using chamfer edge.